Hello, in front of me I've got My Little Pony. In this video I'll show you how to finish obstacle course. You can find obstacle course in the second map location, by the sea. Find zoom and talk to this pony. Press yes. And to win obstacle course, you have to gather horseshoe. Make sure to jump before the obstacle. Don't worry, there's plenty of time to finish it and gather all horseshoes. This is a bit tricky to ride with the rollerblades. But as you can see, I've managed to do it on the first try. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.